subscribe, and press the bell icon to never miss any update.
Namaskar and welcome everyone to Abdus TV HD. I'm Diksha Khati and I'm back with another interview. And today I'm going to have a conversation with the founder of Eastern Empire College of Hotel Management, Mr. Alok Karki. So welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
And how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm very fine right now. So, as you are the founder of Ecom,
Okay.
when and how the idea of establishing Ecom came in your mind?
Well, it goes 5 years back when I was doing a hotel business itself. There was a person coming for marketing of the same course to the Bitamat area,
Okay.
and when he approached me, the idea developed at the same time on my mind as I was teaching at the same time at different plus two colleges as well.
Okay.
So we had a very good number of hotel management students striving to offer hotel management courses. Hence, what I thought, why not we do the same thing instead of sending the students to Kathmandu, right?
Okay, so, and what are the unique features of Ecom that makes it different from other colleges?
Well, this is a very interesting question, and what I'd like to start with is like, see, first of all, what we have to understand about hotel management as a course, as a study, is that it's not just about coming to the class, taking some notes, appearing examinations, and just getting certification and going for the job. No, it's not that. So what we need as a hotel management student is like they need to be overall, they need to have a holistic development in their personality, their career, to boost their career, right?
Yeah.
So in that aspect, we have few things. What we are doing to our students is like, we want our student to be good in their theoretical knowledge. At the same time, they got to be good in their practical knowledge as well. We have got very skillful and qualified chefs, practical instructors in our colleges, good labs. Of course, everybody tells this. Other than this, we work out in our day-to-day, menu, functioning, practicals in services, housekeeping, front office, likewise. Other than this, we do, a huge workout in our ECA and CCA. What I'm trying to tell is like extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities play a vital role in our college, in the program of our college. We do so many things in ECA and CCA. Like for an example, we do communication groom up to the students, their grooming groom up to the students, their presentation skills, their mass communication, group discussion, so many things. Other than that, when we come to the sports as well, not to miss those things, we give our students the training on swimming, training on driving. We have an academy for sports, for cricket, football, table tennis, badminton, and snooker as well.
Okay, so there are lots of things that really
Yes.
sounds really interesting. Okay, so as we know that hotel management is more about practical education compared to the theoretical one, more than practical education. So what kind of facilities and opportunities do the students get during the training sessions?
Okay, well, yes, it is definitely, hotel management is all about, yes, more than a theoretical part, it's about practical exposure
Yeah.
to the students. As the students in the days to come, they need to be in the industry and do practical, whatever they are doing it. So for that, as I already mentioned, we have got good practical labs, as every colleges, they mention them. We have good skillful trainers or instructors, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
We have got labs for kitchen, we have got labs for service, we have got labs for housekeeping, front office. We do have all the required tools, equipments and amenities, whatever the students of hotel management require in today's era.
Okay. All right. So how's the flow of the students in Ecom?
Well, talking about the flow of the students, I must admit we are quite happy and satisfied, as we believe in this genre of hotel management. We are the leading students enroller.
Oh, wow.
I believe so.
Yeah. Okay, so now just to share something like while after working in Dreams Wall, and I have seen lots of programs of in like events, that I have noticed one thing, that every organization has their own management style, different kind of. So what is the unique and different style? Then how do you manage Ecom? Like what's your management style?
Interesting question. Well, for this, I remember once my lecturer telling me in my classes back in my school days, a good manager is the one who does not do different thing. A good manager is the one who do things differently, right?
Yeah.
And see, well, in our college, in our institution or organization, whatever you call it, we have a different approach in our operating system. We work in SOP, standard operating procedure. We have our own standard operating procedure. We take our colleagues, our employees as our team members, not just as an employees. Everyone working under the hood of Eastern Empire College of Hotel Management, we are a team working for a unified goal. So that's what I believe is taking us this path.
Okay, so and how, as a founder, how do you monitor the performance of your students?
Okay, well, talking about the evaluation or monitoring of the performance of the students, firstly, the very common in the general one is their results that when they appear the examinations, the results come over, and that's the general part of evaluating students. Other than that, I don't believe only the marks plotted on the certificates determine the quality of the students. I believe so. So other than that, see, we have been working very hard on scheduling or evaluating the students on their extracurricular and co-curricular activities and their practical activities. We have put on different formats. We have different instructors and coordinators working to find out how progressive the students have been, how were those when they were just enrolled to the college, and how they have been gradually developing or progressing themselves. We have got different sheet charts or evaluation sheets to check for all these things.
Okay, so I want to share one small thing,
Okay.
like my personal story.
Thank you.
I was in grade 10 and I really love to cook. So my relatives used to say me that, oh, you love cooking, and then you must take hotel management. So at that time I thought that hotel management is just about cooking and serving. But slowly I realized that it's not only about that. And I guess lots of our viewers also think the same, that hotel management is just about cooking. So as a founder of Ecom and as a hotel management teacher, I would like to ask, what are the career options for the students who take hotel management?
Okay, so Diksha, I must tell you were lucky enough that people used to tell that hotel management was about cooking. But back in our days, people used to tell that hotel management was all about stewarding, or Nepali ma bhannu parda dekchi driving. People used to tell that hotel management students, they ultimately go and wash dishes, they learn these things. Yes, of course we learn how we need to wash dish, how we need to keep our kitchen sanitized, right, clean, sanitized, how to cook food, and above all this, hotel management is about, the study of hotel management is about building a persona. Holistic development, as I mentioned earlier itself, a person who eventually shares that he or she has passed out hotel management should have so many skills and qualities in him or her, like he or she should be able to speak properly. He or she should be having a good body posture and body language, a good communicator, as I already mentioned. He or she should have skills on all the operational departments of the hotel, which includes food production, as you told, the cooking one, the F&B service, front office, housekeeping, etc. and etc. So overall, it's a holistic package.
And it's a kind of developing our own personality.
Yes, and more importantly, see, a person who comes to a hotel and wants somebody to approach him as a friend, as with in the best possible hospitality he or she can give. So that person who will pass out hotel management should have this all dimensional growth in him or her.
Okay, like it sounds really amazing, because me too, I used to think that like it's all about cooking, is it? Kind of, but now me too, I'm much more clear now, and I guess those people who think the same, I got knowledge about it. One more thing is, we are talking about job. So Ecom is just a gateway, but what after Ecom? Because is there any guarantee every students who passed Ecom will get a good job in the future?
Okay, talking about the career prospect or the job prospect in the future day, any field you go to study, you might be studying some other field, some other might be studying some other field. See, whether you be a hotelier, whether you be media person, whether you be a actor or actress, singer, whatever study you be, doctor, engineer, you need to be a quality person to be in the industry. See, just getting a hotel management certificate is not going to help you to work in any other places, like. So, and the other part where you came is if there was any kind of guarantee. See, the word guarantee has become so, I don't have the word, I don't know. The people use these to promote their institutions, their colleges,
yeah.
that you come to us, you pass out through us and you will be guaranteed with jobs. No, I can't do that. If even I had five-star hotels on my own, I couldn't have guaranteed any student of mine that you would be in a hotel after you complete. No, because see, a student has to develop him or herself. He has to be or she has to be a good product. We work in polishing the product and bringing out the best quality product so that the students in future days, not just in Nepal, all over the world, they can be placed. As for now, to tell you that we Eastern Nepal College hold a very good reputation internationally in different hotels. Different hotels have a direct access and they are giving direct approaches to us for the future prospect for their hotels.
Okay, so just why ecom? Like there are lots of colleges and lots of people also comes in mind that why only ecom, because there are lots of colleges in Jhapa, but why do you think that students who aspire to create a future in hotel management must come ecom?
This is in fact a very, very important question, I wonder. First of all, we as a team member of Eastern Empire, or we as a mentor or instructor in the college, we believe in quality students. We just don't believe in higher number of students, just making them pass out of the college with certain amount of marks in the certificates. No, we believe that the students or any boy or any girl who come over to our college has to grow. And when we tell he or she has to go, he or she has to be a perfect human being. When I'm telling perfect human being, as I already mentioned, a good speaker, a good learner, a good skilled person. So that's why when a student comes to our college, we provide them with all this kind of approaches, and ultimately they turn out to be a good quality product. When you become a good quality product, you never have to worry about anything in this world. So because you are going to be placed in somewhere or around. So that's why ecom. See, I don't know about that. With all due respects, people in other colleges, what I've heard is, come to us, you will be 100%, you will qualify 100% or 100%, passing percentage, 100% job. We don't talk about this.
Okay, like that's genuine.
Okay, I hope.
Okay, so as in present era, this world is full of competition, and every time we have to grow, we have to bring something uniqueness to what we do. So what are the upcoming plans of ecom?
Okay, yes. The first upcoming plan of ecom is to improve the so many other facilities in our college. We are creating our institution as an completely air-conditioned institution where the students in this humid and hot climate, they can stay under the hoods in a very, very fine environment. First thing. The second thing, we are creating an academy and a club of Eastern Empire College of Hotel Management as well. We have taken a national level athlete and a coach in different sports who are going to continuously train our students in different sports. I already mentioned it, like cricket, football, table tennis, snooker, etc., etc. So this other thing and the other facilities, we are time and again grooming our school. Every day, every year we are coming with new projects, and we recently we have just joined to a school as well, Ascent Academy in Charpani. So these are our new projects.
Okay, so I talked about present era now. So why do you think how much important and effective is hotel management in present time?
Our government itself have been putting their head and muscles in vocational courses. They have been speaking so much about vocational courses. As we know, the country like ours, it needs skilled manpower. And hotel management being a skilled oriented industry, so hotel management is a very, 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 very good prospect for the peoples of our country, and especially touristic country like ours of Nepal, right?
We need hospitality.
Yes, definitely.
So okay, it was really wonderful talking with you. So at the last, we are at the last of our video. So at last, any message you want to give to our audience and to the students who are interested to who are interested to be a part of hotel management and create a future in hotel management?
Okay. So in this part, what I would like to tell is like, before you join any course to any students, you need to be sure about what you are willing to be, what you want to be, what your interest, the zone of interest is. Right. So if you think that you are a person who is willing to gel up with peoples, you want to travel around the world, serving different kind of peoples, so hotel management is for you. But before you join hotel management, you should be sure that you are strong from your mind, your heart, and your muscles as well, because you need everything when you become an hotelier, right? And lastly, before you join any institutions, if you are joining for hotel management or anyone, you need to be sure that what quality that institution or organization is providing to their students, because you getting out or passing out from the college or an institution is not enough. Coming out or passing out from an institution with utmost quality in you is important, right? So best of luck.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir, for being here, and it was amazing time spent, like sharing screen with you and getting so much knowledge about hotel management. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. It's my pleasure as well to sit here and talk to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So it was a wonderful conversation with the founder of Eastern Empire College of Hotel Management, Mr. Alok Karki. And this is the sign off for today, and we will be back again with another interview. So till then, stay healthy and keep watching Epic TV HD. Thank you so much.